Good morning. We are here at Lake Oreille. Going to avoid the 100-degree heat, so we launched at right now. It's like 9:30. And we're gonna have lunch at the lake house, our favorite spot, and just hang out for a little bit before the crowd show up. No one's here, right?
Yeah, it's nice. Hi everyone, it's Lisa and Brett.
Good morning.
Ida H2O Adventures, and we're on Lake Oreille.
Trying to avoid driftwood.
It's the deepest lake in Idaho, and Lisa's driving, doing a great job. We're just cruising in a little cove. We're actually going to go to one of our favorite spots here called the Lake House, and they open at 11. It's about 10:30. So more to follow. Come along on this adventure with us. Bye.
Bye-bye.
So that's the boat launch we just launched from, and it's at Farragut State Park. We get a free pass, launch pass, being part of the state park group, and also the county boat pass at those launches that require that. Farragut State Park used to be a big Navy base, and there's still a Navy base here. There's Navy submarine acoustical testing area. Kind of cool. We'll see it when we go into Bayview. Bayview is just off to the left here. There's a few homes built along the shore, but Bayview is known for its float homes. And as we get closer, we'll take some pictures of that. Very nice little area. There's our captain. So we're in Bayview. It's a nice cove here on Lake Oreille. This is the yacht club. And then up there near that yellow canvas is where we're going to be going to have a little brunch. It's called the Lake House. You can see there's some float homes. As we get closer, we'll zoom in on them. And then homes along the shoreline. Bayview is its own little city here. They have their own fireworks on 4th of July. And it's a very small little community, close-knit community. We enjoy coming here. So here's one of the marinas. We actually met I don't remember if he was second or third generation owner of it. But Lisa thinks it's McDonald's Resort Marina. Got a cool little shop in there with a bunch of shirts and, souvenirs. And there's some float houses right there. And they're pretty nice. They're well furnished, and some of them are 3-bedroom, 2-bath. They float right on the water year round. They get some snow down here. A different little community, kind of like Sausalito, I guess, back home. But I think these are in better shape. And Seattle, yep. Sleepless in Seattle. You can see these are some pretty nice little float homes. I know on Facebook I posted some stuff about the Navy submarine acoustic testing area. Well, this is it. That blue building is part of the Navy base here, and you can see a model. It's a scaled down model of a submarine, and that's some of the other buildings are. Got top secret stuff in it that you can't see, but it's a very unique place. It's a Navy base on Lake Oreille in Idaho. Been here for many years. They said every sub it's been built since 1960, has technology that has been, I guess, fabricated and tested at this base. Keep our subs very, very quiet. So these are some of the float houses. We're going in behind there. There's a little docking area behind all these. But these are some of the float houses on this side of it. Again, we're going to go around behind, and there's a dock that we can park at while we go to have something to eat.
So we're pulling up behind the floating houses, as Brett was saying. I make him park. I just put the little bumper pads out because I don't want to park. Anyways, we will dock our boat over here and then take a little walk across the parking lot where our lake house restaurant is. Cute little homes. So they live in the front. They got their little boats. They're all different, all unique looking for sure. There's my future boat right there, that pontoon. And everyone's always friendly, I've noticed, since we've had a boat. They just wave. See you on the docks.
Okay, so we're parked here, and now we're gonna go over to our little restaurant. It's that blue building right there. It's called the Lake House.
Yeah, beautiful day.
And we love the food and the hospitality they show us.
So here we are at the Lake House, our favorite place, where we will bring all of our visitors because it opens at 11 to 8 p.m. or 9, closed on Mondays. A lot of places are different around here. They're closed Sunday, Mondays. They have their different times. Anyway, it's really cute, and they have a great menu: salads, burgers, sandwiches, appetizers. So as you could see, we got here right when it opened. Perfect. And we will be bringing Kayla and Dylan next Friday here as well, right when it opens. And that's where we came in from.
So here's a description of the float houses back in the early days of Bayview. This is a sign by the boat launch. Pretty cool pictures. Evidently, the original float houses were built in Sandpoint and then ferried over or towed over into Bayview. Hopefully this will show up nice on the screen. Nice little history. There's 92 of them in Bayview right now. Okay, so we just left Bayview where we had lunch. And this is a big open part of Pend Oreille Lake. We're still kind of on the west side of it. But I wanted to show you, last year they had a big fire here. It went on for a few weeks. And this is where it started. It started from a campfire off of a boat. They were boat camping, and it went up those hills. And this is just some of the big ravine areas, if you will, around here. Just so many different views in the topology of this lake, or geography of the lake, whatever you want to call it. And look at this beautiful blonde.
Hello. Beautiful day.
Yeah, it is. Nice and quiet too.
Yeah, get away from some of the heat into the water.
A really nice day on Pend Oreille. Nice calm water. We're just cruising. We're scouting out spots where we can park next week when Dylan and Kayla are with us. We're not even probably halfway through the lake.
Here on Oreille after having lunch. I just noticed this little tiny creek stream coming from high up on the mountain. Oh, I can't record it, I'm turning around. Anyway, that's so cool. So we got some fresh water coming in off the mountain. We were just scouting some little areas to hang out and swim and float when the kids come next weekend for the holiday. Again, it's beautiful out, not too hot because we're on the water. Yep, all the mountains look so different from Kauai to Tahoe to Grand Canyon.
Friday on Lake Oreille. There's the missus enjoying her open bow. Love Idaho, baby. Well, this adventure is about over. Thanks for watching us.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up or a like, and please subscribe to our channel.
Until our next journey, bye everyone.